Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add a card to PayPal wallet, payment setup step by step clearly. Open the PayPal app on your phone or go to paypal.com on your computer. Tap login or click login and sign in with your PayPal email and password. If you do not have an account yet, choose sign up and complete the registration first. After logging in, go to the wallet section from the bottom menu in the app or the top menu on the website. Look for an option that says link a card, add a card, or add new. Select debit card or credit card depending on the card you want to connect. Make sure the name on your PayPal account matches the name on your card for fewer verification issues. Enter the 16-digit card number exactly as it appears on the front of the card. Type the expiration month and year shown on your card. Enter the CVV or CVC security code, which is usually 3 digits on the back of the card. For some cards, the security code may be 4 digits on the front, and you should enter that instead. Fill in the billing address requested, and use the address that your bank has on file for that card. Double-check every digit and detail to avoid a failed linking attempt. Tap Link Card, Add Card, or Save to submit the card information. Wait a few seconds while PayPal verifies the card details with your card issuer. If PayPal asks for additional confirmation, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Check your wallet page to confirm the card now appears under Payment Methods. If you want this card to be used automatically, open the card and choose Set as Preferred or Make Primary. If you plan to shop online, review your automatic payment settings so you know which funding source will be used. If PayPal requests a verification code, look for a small temporary charge on your card statement. Open your banking app or card statement to find the PayPal code in the transaction details. Return to PayPal, select Confirm Card or Verify, and enter the code exactly. When verification is successful, PayPal will usually remove or refund the temporary charge automatically. If the card cannot be linked, confirm the card is enabled for online purchases and international transactions with your bank. Also confirm you entered the correct billing address and that the card is not expired or blocked. Try removing the card and adding it again if you made any corrections. If the problem continues, contact PayPal support from the help section and provide the exact error message. Once added, you can select this card at checkout whenever PayPal is available as a payment option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.